All right, it is July 12th, Friday, going over some action in the market, stocks, ETFs. All right, CVNA Carvana was up 5% today. I haven't done this, in a long time. Not much action pre-market. Right at the open, you have 131. This bounces 133. We go long, 136.72. Pull back to 133. The low is getting higher, 137. Low's getting higher again. So destroy your line. A little below it. So right here, 139, we go back down. Now, the low right here and here, we're getting higher. Let's roll this over here. So you can move it up here once you have, line like this. There's different ways you can play this. You can play it this way. You can play it, this way and draw another line. But anyway, so 139 here, it's like a head and shoulder, head, left, right, went down. But you can see generally the low is getting higher. Went to 135. Then this break right here of 137 was huge. Then we go to near 141. And then sort of like went down and up, little moves in between, but it was going down generally. Couldn't get back to that high. Then one was this 139. Look at all the candlesticks. This is about 3 p.m. And this was a lot of stocks, ETFs, everything like went down like fast and furious. And so this went down from 139, bounced to 138, and went down again. So this is really some wild moves today on Carvana. But you had, big move here, moves in between. So this was, very good to trade today. Daily chart. Take a look at this. This has been an uptrend ever since January 2023. Well, after that, then it went sideways May, then we went up 60. 2023's consolidation, but we kept going up. And then the break of 60, this went to 80. This move right here gapped up to 80 to 120. You can see everything's just flowing up on this stock. It's pretty amazing. The weekly chart on this, what was the high on this? All-time high. All-time high on this was 376.83. So you had 18, 19, 2020 into 2021. This thing was going up. And then the big crash, 2021, look at this. From 376, it went down, to a low of 2066, about that. Imagine that 376 to 2066. It's crazy. One second, my computer here. All right, so you can see this big move up, big move down, and now we're steadily climbing. So this has been a pretty good run for this ever since really 2023 and 2024 mid-year. That's a weekly. The monthly, look at this amazing run up. And then these are all like red candles. People are saying this is going to go bankrupt. I remember listening to CNBC and it never happened. And look at this right now. Very overbought, 88, 87 stochastics. EMA is crossed over. This is the first time it's crossed over, pink over white. It's actually back in, you see, maybe May. So this is a big turn right here. Quarterly. The quarterly never went down fully, but the chart was developing. It looks like the 20 EMA wasn't in play yet, but the pink was over white the whole way on this. Look at the space too. Cross way above your EMAs. Remember, way above EMAs, that's when you sell, way below buy. We're at 30.59. This is a straight line up. It's like an airplane taking off. We're leaving the airport and we're going up, and this is very steady. Now, it could have pullbacks along the way, yes. I don't see nothing to sell. Just if maybe sell the dips and get back in, but this has been steady long right now, as you see in the daily chart. And what I mean by that, could go down here, go down. This could come back to even 100 and come back up. As long as it stays in this general area right here. Let me bring this a little closer. So you have your high line. This is your new low line. So, and you can even draw one a little bit closer here. You draw a line right here, up, make a little tighter line. So you have a high line, low line, and then a second low line. So it's forming a rising wedge where it's getting higher but tighter. So you're gonna have to be aware of that on Carvana. But this is a steady long. If you get into the lows, a lot of these stocks ETFs were pummeled. If you're like a long-term player, just put some cash in there. You never listen to CNBC. They're like, things are going bankrupt. They're pretty much clowns. It's amazing. They just go on TV and I don't know what they're saying exactly. It's just pretty amazing. Incredible. All right. So that's Carvana, CVNA. So a nice move today if you're trading it. And that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kimman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Kimman Trades on Instagram. What else? TikTok. And what else do I got? Threads. So I've been putting a ton of like charts on here, just to like throwing out tons of charts day after day, sometimes 5, 10, 20. Excuse me. You can see all these moves. So that's what I'm trying to teach here. All these, these plays like the 5, 10-minute chart, the 3-minute chart, swing trading too. Like swing trading on this, pretty easy to read here. This was back in April, the nice low here in stochastics, the nice low again in June. And look at the high points, Now you could have sold at this high point in a swing trade, but it didn't work. It didn't go down. Yeah, full cycle for me is like 0 to 100, 100 to 0, like in that range, you get the point. But the market's so strong, this didn't put in a new low here. Like this big rips, but it's getting tighter, the low. So this came back up pretty fast. All right, that's it. Peace.